two dice are thrown, if it is known that the sum of numbers on the dice was less than 6, the probability of getting a sum as 3 is. So here two dice are thrown, so the number of elements in sample space can be taken 36. 6 into 6, 36 ordered pairs you will get. So in which it is known that the sum of numbers on the dice was 6, then is less than 6, then the probability of getting a sum is 3. So it is given, let us consider B as an event. B is an event, sum of the numbers on dice is less than 6, and the probability of getting a sum as 3, let us consider the event A, sum is equal to 3. Now we need to find the probability of getting a sum which is 3 when, if it is known that the probability of an event, that is sum of the numbers on the dice, was less than 6. It is already known. That is, it's a conditional probability. We need to find probability of A by B. Probability of an event A when already B an event is known. So that is P of A intersection B upon P of B. So let's find the elements in B. Since the sum is less than 6, we can consider 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5 is not considered because 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. So 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, and then 2 comma 3, and 2 comma 4 is not considered because 2 plus 4 is 6. Next 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, and then 3 comma 3 is also not considered. Let's move to the next one. 4 comma 1, 4 comma 2 is not considered, 5 comma 1 also not considered. That's it. Only these are the ordered pairs. Let me write here. So number of elements in event B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total 10 elements are there in event B. So which implies that the probability of an event B is 10 out of, that is probability of an event B is equal to number of elements in B upon number of elements in a sample space. So 10 out of 36 is a P of B, and A can be considered. Sum is 3. So we can write here 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 1. So we can write here A intersection B is equal to same 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 1. So which is equal to A, and then we can write probability of the conditional event P of A by B, which is equal to P of A intersection B upon P of B, which is equal to, so this is P of A, and probability of an event A, here only 2 are there, that is number of elements in A upon number of elements in sample space, that is 2 out of 36. So we can write this is P of A, which is equal to 2 out of 36, we can write upon P of B, that is 2 out of 36 upon 10 out of 36, which is equal to 2 out of 10, that is 1 upon 5. So 1 upon 5 is the answer. So which is the third option. So third option is the right answer. Okay. Please like, share, subscribe and support us. Thank you.